Hi everybody, Jewel here with J7409 Weather. Thank you so much for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. Well, we got all kind of things going on. Who knows, by late Thursday or Friday, Western North Carolina, even Central North Carolina, you could be getting some snow. We'll have to wait and see. We might see a few flakes along the eastern coastal counties here, but I wouldn't count on it. If we see any, it's going to be mixed with rain. This is the NAM map. What are the headlines? I'm going to turn it on, let it run through for you right quickly. We still have this heavy precipitation that's in the Pacific Northwest. Now, even up in Washington State, this heavy precipitation could cause some possible landslides. They've had so much heavy rain in Washington State. And of course, the snow is in the higher elevations. And as you can see, some rain is still going to be in Northern California. Now, we got light wintry precipitation. It's going to slide across the northern plains to the Tennessee Valley and parts of the mid-Atlantic. And moderate to heavy rainfall over the deep south into the southeast. And we also have a chance of some severe weather today, and I'm going to show you that, so you will be aware of it coming up in just a few moments. But I want to get back to this map right quick. It only goes to like 12 or 1 p.m. on Friday. You can see the snow tracking across. If you'd like to know if you are in any hazardous weather areas that may happen, winter weather watches and warnings, things of that sort, please click Show More, scroll down, you'll find a link to go see if you are in any of these areas that you can check out. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would appreciate it if you would. If you're into the weather, click subscribe, click that bell, and check off all. Gotta check off all. That's a YouTube thing to ensure that you get all of my latest weather videos as I put them out. Now, we're up to 8 p.m. Thursday. You can see the snow is moving across now. In western Tennessee, this is light snow. It's probably going to be mixed with some rain. As of now, it's not looking like it, but we do have this low pressure that's going to be dragging up all this moisture out of the Gulf and pushing that northeast and on out. That's why I'm saying you could get some snow. You probably will get a little snow, but I think it may be mixed with some rain at times. Now, into Friday, we've got freezing rain up and down along western North Carolina and eastern Tennessee along the Appalachians, with some snow in western North Carolina. This snow should move at least to the Piedmont areas, but as you can see, we have this line right in here. A lot of North Carolina is just going to get rain. If you do get any snow where you see this rain, it will be mixed with it at this time. So, let's move right on and check out about the severe weather for today. We do have this chance of a few severe storms that are possible today into tonight along the western Gulf coastline. And it's looking like the primary hazards are going to be damaging wind gust and a chance of tornadoes. Do have a chance of tornadoes. Now, right in this area of Texas, right in here, this is where the greatest chance is. You know, it was just last week, there was a 2% chance of tornadoes, and boom, they had a tornado in Texas. So please watch out for this. The marginal risk for one goes up to the coastline of Louisiana and also down around the panhandle of Mississippi. Anywhere in these areas, though, severe thunderstorms could pop up for today. That chance of tornadoes is 5% in this brown area of Texas for today, 2% everywhere else. Severe winds up to a 15% chance in this area where tornadoes have a possibility of breaking out with the severe storms, and there is also a small chance of hail at 5% in these same areas. So this could happen anytime today, right on through tonight. If you live in these areas, please, please pay attention to your skies and stay safe. Here we have a look at my future radar. I'm going to turn it on and explain a couple of things, what's going on. So let's just get going. You see your timestamps. What is going on? We got the bulk of the latest round of heavy precipitation. It's moving into the Pacific Northwest as the associated frontal system gradually weakens the precipitation. It's going to gradually become less intense later on today. Now, much of this precipitation should fall as rain along the coastal ranges of Washington State and Oregon into Northern California, while 6 to 12 inches of snow is forecast for those higher elevations of the Olympic and the Cascade Ranges. Now, by tomorrow, the snow's going to move eastward across the northern Rockies with mixed precipitation over the northern high plains, while a reprieve in the activities reaches the Pacific Northwest. However, the next surge of moisture from another Pacific front, remember I told you we had all of these fronts coming through, is looking like it's going to impact the same areas of the Pacific Northwest and Northern California by Thursday night. Now, over the central portion of the country, we have an area of light snow. It's going to linger over the northern plains today ahead of a weakening frontal system. The main energy of this system will then slide further southeast into the southern plains as return moisture from the Gulf of Mexico will begin to fuel those thunderstorms across eastern Texas, and this is all ahead of a developing low pressure system. Now, these showers and thunderstorms, they're going to progress eastward through the deep south by Thursday, with embedded severe weather possible. In addition, isolated areas of heavy rainfall may develop near the advancing front. Now, to the north of this low pressure center, that's where the snow happens. Wintry precipitation will slide towards the mid-Mississippi Valley tonight, into the Tennessee Valley area by Thursday, and into parts of the mid-Atlantic by Friday morning. Elsewhere, lingering light snow will slowly taper off across the Great Lakes, Northeast, and Central Appalachians. I doubt we see any snow in eastern North Carolina, especially along the coastal areas, but if we do, it would be late Friday night, and it would probably be mixed with rain. So this is kind of a touchy situation. We'll see what happens by tomorrow with the snow coming over to the North Carolina area, South Carolina, Georgia, Virginia area. In the meantime, though, I think it's going to be a lot of rain for a lot of us, and the snow's going to be like west of I-95 and in the mountain areas of North Carolina. That's a check of your weather today. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thanks for everything you do for me. I love you, my friends, and may each and every one of you have much peace, love, and kindness in your life today and the days ahead. Thanks for watching.